Hey friends, if you encounter the error something didn't go as planned, no need to worry undoing changes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve it if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Just copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and paste the script here. Hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.